Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and this video it's gonna be a tutorial about Apple Notes. And if you still haven't used the Apple Note, I would like to suggest you to start in using this application because it can give you a lot of features that you can use to create a simple article in a simple way. So first, I would like to show you the way how you can save the notes from the Apple Notes into the PDF. Open the application and then you just need to pick the documents that you want to save as in PDF, and then you just need to tap into this icon, and then you just need to scroll a little bit down, and then you just need to go tap into this print. Now you can adjust which page that you want to print here. If you want to make every page here into one page only, so you just need to go click into this layout, and then you can just set the pages per set. I would like to use 2 or 4, so you'll got this type of looks, and then you just need to go click this share button, and that could be creating as PDF, and click save to files, and then you just need to find the folder that you want to save this, and then click save, and you're done. Now you can check into the folder that you picked a few seconds ago to find this document in a PDF. So that's for today's tutorial. Hopefully you enjoy this, and let's make it into other tutorial.